What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 04 SVT Cobra. Today we're going to be installing some new custom heat extractors. So I picked these up from Chris off of Facebook. He runs the business Venom Prototyping. He's making these 3D printed heat extractors. They're super reasonable, and supposedly they fit perfectly on all these Cobras that don't require any trimming, which a lot of the LFP and other aftermarket metal ones required some filing down of the hood, which I did not want to do. So I found these. I bought the first batch that he had produced, and we're going to go over the install, and we're going to see how they look, how easy they go on, and if it was worth it. So let's get to it. Quick close-up on the quality of the product. So you can see here the 3D printing. They look pretty nice. They're nice and smooth and even. And then here is the hardware on the back. Comes pre-mounted. You're going to need a 4mm Allen key or hex head. And then all of the mounting brackets have little felt pads on it so that it does not scratch your paint. So what we're going to do now is we're going to remove these factory heat extractors, and then we're going to pop these in. Just a quick tutorial on how to remove the factory heat extractors. I know I couldn't really find anything on YouTube. So normally these have the backing plate. When I bought mine, they already came removed. So this is all that I ever had. But basically you can see here, there's the metal retaining clips. And although it seems like you might want to drop them in this way, you actually have to push them out on top of the hood. So you're going to work your way from the bottom, push all these tabs in, it'll release the bottom. And then you'll see the tabs here. Just pretty much put some pressure down and rock these backwards. And then you can pull the heat extractor right out through the top of the hood. So there you have it. They are installed. Take a close look. I think they look really good. 10 minutes, just need one tool, and that's it. So you let me know what you guys think. Thanks again to Chris. I'm sure to send you the video. Hopefully this helps anyone that was interested in this product or considering it. Now you can get a real live view of what they look like, what the install is like. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, check out my SVT Cobra playlist, and stay tuned for more Cobra content. Thanks, guys. You